That was a bad financial decision. How many subscriptions do you actually have right now? Do you even know what you paid last month? When was the last time you checked your bank statement? Are you scared to look? Why does it feel like money just disappears? Here is something wild. The average person loses about $1,300 yearly, just on forgotten subscriptions and unused services. That is money going nowhere. Every single month it slips away. You tell yourself you will cancel later. Later never comes. Life Admin Finance Tracker fixes this. It is completely free on the App Store. You add every bill in one place. It shows subscriptions you forgot existed. You see exactly where your money goes. It sends reminders before charges hit. Cancel what you do not need anymore. No paper cluttering your kitchen counter. No pencil notes you lose in a drawer. No frustration trying to remember passwords and logins. Your entire financial picture lives in your pocket. Open it anywhere and feel instant relief. Finally, some control over the chaos. Make sure to subscribe now. Drop a like if this helped. Comment what subscription you keep forgetting about. Download Life Admin Finance Tracker today for free. Take back every dollar that has been slipping away. Stop letting money vanish without permission. To do it.